So guys, I bring you this wonderful video that will interest you. On this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can get rid of those crack heels, those dryness on your feet, those dark areas on your feet, dark knuckles. This simple recipe will help you get rid of them sharp. Okay, so if you have crack heels, dark spots on your feet, discoloration, dry feet, dark knuckles, just sit back and watch this video. So I'll be sharing with you a very simple recipe that you can even get it right in your kitchen. It's so simple and it's so effective. All you just have to do, follow this step and you will achieve an amazing result. So our first ingredients here is lemon. We'll be needing lemon for this, lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice has this natural bleaching property, so it will help lightening those dark areas, those dark areas, those dark spots or dark knuckles, both on your feet, on your fingers. It will help brightening it. Okay, so guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and also share. Someone else might also need it. Okay, so guys, sit back and watch. Note, this recipe will not just get rid of those dark spots or those crack heels or dryness or dark knuckles. It will also help soften your skin. It will give your feet this deep moisturizer. It will soften it and it will repair your feet overnight. Like, it works very fast. It will repair your feet, keeping it very soft, brighter and well moisturized. So sit back and watch. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe.